Growing up, I raced. I wasn't that good. I mean, I have like some C-class champions and stuff, but not that good. And I was just always worked on my own stuff, and it was safer. And I actually enjoyed doing this way more than I ever did riding. So, getting Ken was awesome. We have a little bit of a history from RCH days. I did some practice bike stuff for him and everything, and came and rode the bike and loved it. And then it was just go, go, go. We'll get a new truck and kind of start everything up. Nobody understands how much work it takes to get here, and I mean, it's lots of hours, lots of time.
He's really fast at our tracks, but when you go to racetracks with another 19 super fast guys, you kind of see what level you're at.
It starts from the tires up. Every team I've been on has been Dunlop. I like the progression, and it's always in the right direction too. You just have to love it. I mean, you really have to love it. You can't do it for the money. You can't do it to think you're gonna have a hat on and be cool. You have to love dirt bikes, and it pays off. If you love it and give everything, it's gonna give back. And like here I am now working for Ken Roczen full time, and I would have never thought, you know.